The Two Drift Team band. Hello, hello. Oh, I'm so interested what you do here.
Nice to see you.
This is a really true drift car, battle car.
You want some coffee?
Yeah. The injector. Oh my god. This is so big, white exhaust.
Now I have all my parts for the engine is inside my car.
Yeah, I saw some parts.
Everything is cleaned and ready. I was here till about 2 o'clock in the night yesterday.
Oh.
Cleaning everything.
Unbelievable. Just so fucking wide street bar.
Wistab, all the blue parts are. Wistab is the manufacturer of them too. There's much grip in the rear and much steering angle in the front.
Oh. It's totally fiber carbon.
The doors are glass fiber, but everything else is carbon fiber.
Yeah. Sebastian Enlom.
I've made everything myself except the doors.
Oh. You can work with carbon fiber.
Yeah,
Great.
not perfect.
No,
parts,
of course. Battle cars not need to
but very
be perfect.
flexible.
But
This is
paint.
wrap.
Wrap.
Yeah.
I never saw this is red.
Delivery for the car. He called me. They were supposed to cut delivery and everything on Thursday. He called me on Wednesday. Said that we just got in this. It's the first batch that came to Finland. Do I want it? I said, hell yeah! It looks awesome.
Brake fluid?
Yeah.
Why have three?
One is for the clutch.
It's three different tanks.
Keski, taka, etu, clutch, rear and front.
Okay. Great.
Carbon fiber.
Yeah, not bad, not bad. Great. I thought that you have lift.
No, not yet.
Not
Maybe
yet.
thinking of getting one to the winter, but
Oh, it's not so expensive,
no, but
especially for this.
don't have had the money now. I was
Yeah,
the whole
I believe.
summer I was over 3 months without any salary, so
Oh, yeah, I believe.
and I spent 12,000 euros in 2 months on this hobby.
Yeah, very expensive hobby.
So it has been very, very tight.
What this tank is this?
It's the
Coolant.
no, it's a fire extinguisher. I have a system. I press the button there. It's electrical. Then it launches the system. I have 2 nozzles, one for the driver over the feet and one in the for the
for in-
passenger.
uh-huh.
And I have one here on the fuel cell and 4 in the engine bay.
Okay. Anyway, it's great.
This one is metal, but then the roof is carbon fiber.
Ah, wait a minute, it's a sticker.
Yeah, this is also wrapped. I painted the whole car this color. Everything.
I thought that you mean wrap on this carbon fiber, like wrapping.
No, that one is not wrapped, but
Okay.
but the black one is thicker. The whole car is painted. This gray one, except for the.
Okay, how much power this car have? What do you think?
It didn't have so much. Maybe what was it 700 and a little bit over 700 on the rear wheels.
Not so much. Almost like my Volkswagen Golf.
Now I'm hoping to get 800 from the wheels. With the new engine. Has gone a little. The turbo is a little bit hot. Need to repaint it in the winter.
Wait a minute, is it stock
It's a stock subframe, yeah.
steering rack? I mean.
No, it's from a BMW E90. But the subframe is stock. But then I have welded these
Yeah, I
pieces
see.
here and made. There also made some
Engine mount.
room for the BMW steering rack.
Great.
It's a Finnish company that have made the suspension for this car. It's a big M suspension especially made for this car.
All right.
Now these containers are self-made also.
You.
Yeah,
Oh my God, you're so pretty good welder.
yeah. I welded some of these, and then a friend helped a little bit also.
Because it's look like not semi-automatic. I think it's not. Wait. Is it TIG?
It's TIG welded
Yeah.
because these are aluminum. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Fucking great car.
Looks a little bit beaten up now, but
How wide it can be? Rotate this
about
wheels.
60 degrees, 65 degrees. But these wheels are only for transportation.
Okay.
Same set as in the rear, but it gets so wide in the front that
Can-
I can't get it in the bus with.
Can you show how wide is it? Great. Wow. So nice. I never seen it before. Yeah. Fantastic. So cool.
It's steel.
Still.
Yeah.
Is it BC?
No, it's Big M suspension, a Finnish company.
Ah,
They are handmade.
handmade.
Yeah, and this one is especially for this car.
All right. I have one complete set of the coilovers, but it need to service it.
Yeah.
But I don't know how. What do you think?
I would send it to Koskela Motorsport. He's very good at servicing DC.
Actually, I don't know what brand is it, because it's blue-white. Some guys say that it's maybe Cusco, but I don't know. No labels, nothing, no marks. I don't know. I little bit scared to do myself because
You can't do it yourself.
because I'm
Get the pressure inside. If you don't have those 6 bolts off, and then I have 2 sets of gear there
yeah.
to change the gear radio.
Oh,
I just
easy.
change them, and 6 bolts and fill up half a liter of oil, and that's it.
Simple, but this shit's so big.
Yeah,
Expensive.
it weighs about 40 kilos.
It looks like double big than just stock. Okay, and I suppose this is original. And
this is original.
Yeah, and as I understood, it's so something old.
It's from
Model.
BMW, I don't know what.
Looks like A36
Yeah.
maybe, but this part is sequent.
Yeah,
right?
this is the Samsung S.
Crazy. This is crazy, but so interesting.
And the drive sets, or the half sets,
They are so small.
Yeah,
I thought that this would be
they are.
bigger one.
they are made by Weissfab also. There's a, it has worn off. On the other side you can see a little bit of the white line. If you see there.
Yeah.
When they are new, there's a white line going the whole way, because they can twist over 90 degrees before they snap.
I like your stabilizer bar. So really fat. Like from a truck.
The same in the front. It needs a little bit of fixing just.
Great. Is it switch?
No, it's for the same as this one's for the rear bumper.
Okay.
They got a little bit destroyed also. There is the fuel cell, and I have 3 pumps inside of there. And
3.
yeah, one small pump to. There's a built-in surge tank there. There's like a big bottle inside there. There's one pump pumping into that bottle all the time, and then there are 2 big pumps inside that bottle that feed the engine.
Maxico.
Yeah.
Okay.
That one, I don't have any fuses in the whole car or any relays. Everything is automatic by that one.
Why you need here 2 seats?
Sometimes I have passengers
For fun?
just for fun, yeah. Or to give ride-alongs to my sponsors.
Yeah, of course. He should to feel why he spent a lot of money.
Yeah.
Okay.
Carbon fiber.
No, yeah, I see.
And I also have a carbon fiber drive steering rack.
Oh.
It is actually a real carbon fiber.
Yeah, it's professional.
I like carbon fiber. If you can see.
Is it battery?
Yeah, carbon fiber.
So small, like from a bike.
Yeah.
Of course, no need more.
But it is actually quite powerful.
Oh, it was some crack it.
Yeah. It fix it in the winter.
Yeah, mistakes. Yeah, on the track.
Yeah. These are so thin. That's a small hit and they then
Nice.
This is my old bumper. I need to cut out there, there, and then I need to patch it to my
Oh.
new bumper that is.
Uh-huh.
Because I don't have time to make a new one.
Yeah. Finjector. Finjector. Yeah.